Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk to Webflow for ticketing from UI forms step by step clearly. To connect Zendesk to Webflow for ticketing from UI forms, follow these steps. Start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Select the API option from the settings menu. Enable the Zendesk API if it's not already active. Next, generate a new API token. Copy this token, as you'll need it later. Now, log into your Webflow account. Open the project where you want to set up the integration. Go to the Forms section in your Webflow project settings. Create a new form or select an existing one. Make sure to include necessary fields like name, email, and message. Go to the Integrations tab in Webflow. Look for the Zapier integration option. If you don't have a Zapier account, sign up for one. After logging into Zapier, create a new Zap. Select Webflow as your trigger app. Choose the trigger event, typically form submission. Connect your Webflow account to Zapier. Select the specific project and form you want to use. Now, add an action step by selecting Zendesk. Choose to create a new ticket as your action event. Connect your Zendesk account using the API token you copied earlier. Map the fields from your Webflow form to the corresponding Zendesk ticket fields. For example, map the email field to the requester email in Zendesk. Test the Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, turn on your Zap. Your Webflow forms are now connected to Zendesk for ticketing. Any submissions on the form will automatically create tickets in your Zendesk account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.